usually ever watches like or not a lot of people will watch the first video.
No,
or
but
the first 10.
it's there for history. You get the
No, just start over. Talk to the camera.
like it's natural. Michael, what are we doing? I'll tell you what we're doing. Is the phone gonna stay put around the corner? We're going to Bend, Michael. Why are we going to Bend?
Your mom.
We're going to Bend because we have a storage unit there with all of the stuff that we need for the shop that we're moving into, which is 150 miles away from the shop. And if you're wondering, which you're probably not, why it's all there, is because we moved over this way for a couple of months and brought everything with us, not anticipating to move back to where we came from. So now we're spending the weekend moving everything into the new shop, which includes wasting an entire Sunday driving to go load up the trailer you see behind us with all of the stuff for the shop that's in the storage unit, and then unloading it all in the shop and not knowing where we're gonna put it or what we're gonna do with it. Right?
Well, I mean, we know where we're gonna put it. We're gonna put it in the shop.
Got 96.50 on the truck. And 2,800 on an empty trailer. So we'll see how much we weigh coming back. Doing the math on that?
1245. The trailer only weighs like 3,200 pounds. I think the truck is 9,400.
Yeah. Ready for another 3-hour drive?
Make sure we got it.
Should we let him out to pee? You ready to go? Huh? 10.7. You brought us up 100. 10.750. We were 10.6 on the truck and 52.50 on the trailer. It's 10.6 plus 52.50.
So we put 3,400 pounds in the trailer.
34 in the trailer?
It was 12,450. Yeah, it was 12,450 on the way. And it's 58.50.
Was there a difference in fuel level from when we weighed the first time to now?
A little bit.
More or less?
More. So it's a little bit heavier in that aspect.
Okay, let's go. Stuff that we picked up that we're taking back to the shop. We also stopped on the way back and picked up my old pickup, which is not going back to the shop. This will be going back to our house. It does need some work in pretty much every department, but it is a freaking blast to drive, at least in my opinion. Some people might say that this thing is a dilapidated pile of junk, and by some people I mean pretty much everyone but myself. But welcome to the new shop. Got one of our trucks and a customer's truck. And we are in the process of unloading the toys. Most essential new shop item. So now that we've got all this unloaded, where's it gonna go? Nowhere? Okay, all right.
Where's that?
This is it. This is the permanent layout. We've got the bikes, one that doesn't run, inconveniently blocking one of the bay doors. Perfect feng shui going on there. The desk right in front of the door where it belongs, but then also the quad blocking the walkway. Got a thing for inconveniently located bikes. And then we'll figure out the rest of this situation. Well, Michael is gonna figure out the rest of the situation because I won't be here. So just to recap on that weekend's events while we're getting fuel in the EcoBoost, we did have a few other errands we needed to take care of before we went and did all the moving. The side-by-side and the 400EX, those we moved on Saturday, so the day before we went over to Ben's. And then we also had to go down to a different shop and kind of make a little progress on another engine job that the guys have been working on, which essentially, I think mostly what we did while we were down there was just putting the pistons in the engine. So we didn't do a whole lot, but we did make a little bit of progress, which was the idea. weren't going to be able to go down there on Sunday because we'd be over in Bend. And then actually this weekend now, 31 gallons, that's a lot of fuel. And then actually this weekend we went to go look at a 2-post lift, which was, it sounded like it was a good deal. It was free. The company that was using it, they were done with it. They didn't want it anymore. They just wanted someone to come pick it up. And we have a friend that works for them that said, hey, come get this 2-post lift. It's an 8,000 pound lift. It sounded like a pretty good deal. So we took the trailer and we headed up there to go pick it up, and we get there and it looks terrible. So here's a clip of that. Did come home without the lift. We decided it would be more trouble than it's worth, and if anything, we were gonna take it to the scrapyard. Ooh, this guy almost left without putting his gas cap back on. Totally left his gas door open too. So I think that pretty much wraps up everything in this video. Let's go this way, actually. I think that pretty much wraps up everything for this video. If you can't tell, Michael and I both are incredibly awkward in front of the camera. We're not comfortable with that yet. That's gonna take some time. But as far as content goes, I'm not sure where we're gonna go with it. I know there's gonna be a lot of projects, a lot of mechanically focused content, but I don't know how much. I don't know what else we're gonna include.